Okay, guys, and that brings us to question number 3, which is what is one common myth about your profession or field that you want to debunk? Guys, one myth that you hear often, and it's not nothing major, but it's definitely a myth, is that anyone can go look at YouTube and kind of learn how to do this thing. I get it. It may seem that cut and dry, but guys, if that was the case, do you not think I would have been on YouTube learning? Do you not think I would not have saved the thousands I've invested into proper training if it was that cut and easy, and if it was that just that simple? It's not. I know draping for some people, it look as if, y'all know, because we creatives, we just look at it, we're like, oh, I could do it. Baby, it ain't that easy. You can't. Because it's so much behind the element in the art of draping that a lot of people don't understand.